Salt and Light in Cairns and in Chiang Mai. And today, I'm really proud to just introduce you to them. Again, they're just a fraction of the individuals who went. But we just want to thank Hoboken, our district executive committee, all of our planning teams, both in Chiang Mai and in Cairns, along with all of our church leaders here who supported the trip and gave our young people an opportunity not just to hear about missions, but to experience missions. And I speak on behalf of every person on stage, Lucia and all, their lives have changed. They have stories that they can talk about forever. They have relationships that they've begun that will stretch into eternity. And so, was Salt and Light conference a conference that uplifted, encouraged, and was it a conference that planted seeds whereby young people in the next 75 years will not only see missions as important, but where young people will serve the Lord? And so, we believe so. And again, thank you. Donate Toleng Sukdu, who challenged your young people, helped them fundraise, and get them to the conferences that they were called to participate in, whether that was in Australia or Kite Day. This song is just a thought, a story. We hope it's prophetic in many ways that God has been working within us for 75 years, and He will continue to work within us for the next 75.
Be